In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule multi-channel marketing campaigns in Mailchimp. If you want your emails to go out at the perfect time while staying aligned with your social media posts, advertisements, and other marketing channels, then this guide is for you. Mailchimp makes it easy to organize and schedule campaigns so your entire marketing strategy works together smoothly and professionally. To get started, open your web browser and head over to Mailchimp. Once the page loads, sign into your account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. From here, look toward the upper left corner of the screen and click the Create button. This is where all new campaigns and marketing content begin inside Mailchimp. After clicking Create, you'll see several campaign options appear. Choose Email to continue. Then select Regular as your campaign type. A regular email campaign is ideal when you want complete control over the design, content, and scheduling of your message. It also works perfectly as part of a larger multi-channel marketing plan. Next, Mailchimp will ask you to enter a campaign name. Choose something descriptive and easy to recognize later, especially if you're coordinating your email with other marketing efforts like social posts, paid ads, or SMS campaigns. A clear campaign title helps keep everything organized, particularly when managing multiple promotions at once. Once you've entered the name, click Begin. You'll now arrive at the campaign builder. This is where you'll create and customize your email. Click Design Email to start building your content. Mailchimp provides several templates you can choose from, making it easy to create a professional-looking email even if you don't have design experience. Add your text, visuals, branding, and messaging carefully. Make sure your subject line and preview text are engaging, because those are often the first things your audience notices in their inbox. As you build your email, try to keep your message aligned with the content your audience will see across your other marketing channels. Consistent branding and a clear call to action can help improve recognition and increase engagement throughout your campaign. Once your design is complete, it's time to schedule your campaign. Look for the Send Time section inside the builder and click Schedule. Start by selecting the delivery date using the calendar tool. Think carefully about how this timing lines up with any social media posts, promotions, or website updates planned around the same campaign. Next, choose how you'd like Mailchimp to handle delivery timing. Depending on your plan, you may have the option to let Mailchimp optimize delivery based on when your subscribers are most likely to open emails, or you can manually choose a specific send time yourself. Click Save to confirm your schedule. If you still need time to review your content or coordinate with your other channels, simply choose Finish Later to save your progress and return anytime. And that's it. You've successfully scheduled a multi-channel marketing campaign in Mailchimp and prepared your email to launch alongside your broader marketing strategy. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.